Right now, we're creating a safe container for your body to be able to release tension and stored trauma. Continuing to breathe. Now, bring your attention to your feet. If you're sitting or standing, feel them grounding into the floor. If you're lying down, feel your heels onto the surface that you're on. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Butterfly Event Podcast. I'm Heather Hewitt, board certified naturopath, clinical nutritionist, and trauma-informed somatic therapy coach. And today we're going to do a short guided somatic trauma release meditation designed especially for those of us that are over 40. Whether you're carrying stress, tension, old emotional patterns that you just can't get out of, this practice is going to help you to release and reconnect with your body. Well, let's start by either sitting somewhere where it's comfortable for you. You can even do this standing or even lying down. So try to find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit and lie down comfortably. And when you're ready, close your eyes if that feels safe to you. And let's start by putting your hand on your chest and taking a deep breath in. We want to inhale in through our nose and exhale slowly through pursed lips. And ideally, we would like to breathe out and exhale with a longer exhale. Inhale in, exhale, and inhale again. Exhale. Notice how your body feels in this moment. There's no need to change anything. Just observe. Continue to breathe in. Exhale out. Right now, we're creating a safe container for your body to be able to release tension and stored trauma. Continuing to breathe. Now, bring your attention to your feet. If you're sitting or standing, feel them grounding into the floor. If you're lying down, feel your heels onto the surface that you're on. Slowly move your awareness up through your legs, then to your hips, then to your torso. Remembering to breathe, inhaling in and exhaling through pursed lips. Bring your awareness to your arms, then your neck and your shoulders, all the way to the top of your head. As you scan your body, remembering to breathe, notice any tightness. Where's there tightness in your body? Notice any heaviness or discomfort. Breathe into those areas. Allow them to soften. And just remember, you're not pushing anything away. We're not judging. We're just noticing. We're welcoming whatever is present. Now I invite you to gently rock your body. You can rock from side to side, front to back, or gentle swaying, or moving your shoulders, could be backwards or forwards, moving your hands if that feels safe, making sure your hands are open. This subtle movement helps release that stored tension and trauma in your body. And if emotions arise like sadness, anger, or fear, it's okay. Just breathe with them. And imagine your breath as a warm, healing wave flowing through your body, releasing what no longer serves you. Then repeat silently to yourself, I am safe, I am supported, I release what does not serve me. Then take a few moments to let your body continue this gentle movement. No judgment, just presence and breath. Begin slowly to return your awareness to the room. You can wiggle your fingers, your toes, and stretch gently. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Notice how your body feels now compared to the beginning. Even small shifts are signs of healing. In with a deep breath. And thank you for allowing yourself this time for somatic trauma release. And if you found this helpful, please like, comment, subscribe so you can join me for more practices supporting your mind, body, and spirit, especially for those of us that are over the age of 40. And remember, your body remembers. And with gentle awareness, it can release, restore, and renew.